Amphotericin B is not effective in the following fungal disease, that is dermatophytosis. The most important toxicity of amphotericin B is nephrotoxicity. The newer lipid formulations of amphotericin B differ from the conventional formulation in the following respect, except they are more efficacious. In addition to fungi, amphotericin B is active against the following pathogen, that is leishmania. The following antibiotic act by binding to ergosterol and creating micropores in fungal cell membrane. Currently, under the MAS program, the duration of multi-drug therapy for multivascular leprosy is 1 year fixed duration for all cases. A single dose of rifampicin or floxacin minocycline treatment has been recommended for single skin lesion possivascular leprosy. In the multi-drug therapy of leprosy, rifampicin is given monthly. The following is true of multi-drug therapy of leprosy, except it has been highly successful in possibacillary leprosy but not in multibacillary cases. If a multibacillary leprosy patient treated with standard fixed duration multi-drug therapy relapses, he should be treated with same rifampin, dapsone, clofazimine regimen. Which antileprotic drug suppresses lepra reaction and reversal reaction as well, that is clofazimine. Currently, monotherapy of leprosy with dapsone is recommended for neither possibacillary nor multibacillary leprosy. The multi-drug therapy of leprosy is superior to monotherapy on the following account: that it prevents emergence of dapsone resistance, it is effective in cases with primary dapsone resistance, it shortens the total duration of drug therapy and improves compliance. The tetracycline with highest antileprotic activity is minocycline. Select the macrolide antibiotic having clinically useful antileprotic activity, that is clarithromycin. Multi-drug therapy with dapsone, rifampin, clofazimine is the treatment of choice for all forms of leprosy. The following is true of clofazimine, except it is cidal to Mycobacterium lepra. Which fluoroquinolone is highly active against Mycobacterium leprae and is being used in alternative multi-drug therapy regimen, that is ofloxacin. The drug used to treat Mycobacterium avium complex infection in AIDS patients include the following, except isoniazid. The most important dose-dependent toxicity of dapsone is hemolysis. Multi-drug resistant tuberculosis is defined as resistance to isoniazid, rifampicin, and any one or more anti-TB drugs. Mycobacterium tuberculosis infection in an HIV-infected patient is treated with four first-line anti-TB drugs for 2 months, followed by a longer continuation phase of 7 months with rifampicin and isoniazid. Okay, a woman aged 25 years is diagnosed as she is suffering from pulmonary TB. She is also 8 weeks pregnant. Anti-TB therapy for her should be started immediately. Corticosteroids are absolutely contraindicated in the following type of TB, that is intestinal. The current WHO guidelines recommend isoniazid rifampicin pyrazinamide for initial 2 months, followed by isoniazid rifampicin for another 4 months for the following category of TB patients, that is new sputum negative cases of pulmonary TB. Under the WHO guidelines for treatment of new cases of TB, when isoniazid plus ethambutol are used in the continuation phase instead of isoniazid plus rifampicin, the duration of this phase is 6 months. According to the current WHO, new sputum smear positive cases of pulmonary TB are to be treated with the following regimen, that is isoniazid plus rifampin for 6 months with additional pyrazinamide, ethambutol or streptomycin during the initial 2 months. As per WHO guideline, treatment of failure or relapse patients of smear positive pulmonary TB differs from that of new cases in the following respect, that is all 5 first line anti-TB drugs are given in the initial intensive phase and 3 drugs are given in the continuation phase instead of 2. Chemoprophylaxis for TB is recommended in the following category of subjects, except all Montex positive adult contracts of tubercular patients. What is true of DOT strategy in the treatment of TB? That it consists of an initial intensive phase and later continuation phase. The WHO guidelines for treatment of TB with short course chemotherapy under the DOT strategy categorizes patient on the basis of site and severity of the disease, sputum smear positivity or negativity, and history of earlier anti-TB drug use. Addition of pyrazinamide and ethambutol for the first 2 months to the isoniazid plus rifampin therapy of TB serves the following purposes, that is, reduces the total duration of therapy to 6 months and produces more rapid sputum conversion. The short course chemotherapy of TB has practically replaced the conventional regimen because it is more efficacious, less toxic, and has yielded higher completion rates. The most important reason for using a combination of chemotherapeutic agents in the treatment of TB is to prevent development of resistance to the drugs. In the short course regimen for treatment of TB, pyrazinamide and ethambutol are used for initial 2 months. Indicate the second line anti-TB drug that is being preferred to supplement ethambutol streptomycin in case of hepatotoxicity due to isoniazid rifampicin pyrazinamide, that is ofloxacin. Clarithromycin is used for the following, that is Mycobacterium avium complex infection in AIDS patient. Para-aminosalicylic acid is a second line anti-tubercular drug because of the following feature, that is low anti-TB efficacy, frequent side effects, and bulky daily dose. The primary reason for not using ethinomide as a first line anti-TB drug is it produces GI intolerance and hepatitis. The characteristic toxicity of ethambutol is visual defects. The anti-TB action of thioacetone has the following feature, that is it is low efficacy anti-TB drug and it is combined with isoniazid to prevent development of resistant infection. Ethambutol is not used in children below 6 years of age because it is difficult to detect ethambutol induced visual impairment in young children. In a patient of pulmonary TB, pyrazinamide is most active on the following subpopulation of TB bacilli, that is slow growing bacilli within macrophages and at sites showing inflammatory response.